This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by switching to a creator account so you get analytics and messaging controls. Set a concise bio that explains your niche and add a contact method. This makes you discoverable. Once done, pick a high-contrast profile photo and select the creator category. This unlocks creator-specific tools. Make sure your username matches your brand across platforms. Consistency matters for search and recognition. Now you're ready to plan content with the right account type and visible contact options. You need a plan, define 3 content pillars that reflect your value, then batch produce content so posting stays consistent. Use Reels for reach, shoot 9:16 vertical video, but crop options allow 16:9 for cross-posting. Once done, write captions with a clear CTA and 1-2 relevant hashtags. Make sure to tag collaborators. Schedule posts using Creator Studio or a third-party tool to maintain cadence, and monitor early engagement to iterate on what works. You finalize by enabling monetization when eligible. Set up badges, branded content tools, and affiliate links to start earning. Make sure to check insights weekly. Look at reach, saves, and follower growth to understand what resonates. Once done, tweak posting times and creative formulas based on data. If performance drops, audit hashtags and caption changes, remove recent brazen links, and test stories for organic recovery. This troubleshooting step usually reveals the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.